Hello viewers, get ready because I'm about to reveal the top secret to making money online in Ghana. Forget everything you thought you knew about online wealth building. Bid farewell to the flashy cars and the false promises of overnight riches from these fake gurus. Today, we are unveiling the real strategies Ghanaians are using to forge online empires. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Logging in your pages while the cash flows in?
Yeah, me too.
But is this achievable in Ghana? But the spoiler alert is absolutely it is. However, here's the catch. It is not a walk in the park. We are diving into secret strategies, the challenges of the side hustle you won't hear elsewhere, and inside tips to dodge those scams preying on your aspiration. So hit that like button, ring that notification bell because in the next few minutes, we are dropping knowledge bombs that will leave you exclaiming, "Oh my God, why didn't I know this sooner?" Let's seize those opportunities in Ghana. Now, the dream versus the reality. Let's face it, the dream of working from your phone, lodging at your home while money rolls in. That's exciting, but here's the reality check. If it were that simple, everyone would be doing it, right? There are genuine avenues to make money online in Ghana, but it's far from effortless. First and foremost, let's address the biggest warning sign. That is those gurus peddling overnight wealth with their magic formulas. They are selling a fantasy, not a blueprint. They will flaunt fancy cars and lavish lifestyle, but never the grind behind it. So, what actually works? Enough with the negativity. Here are some authentic ways Ghanaians are making money online. Now, let's see freelancing. The freelancing, if you've got skills in writing, coding, or graphic design, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with clients worldwide. But remember, building a strong portfolio and reputation is crucial. You have to know that. Let's see YouTube. Have charisma and talent. YouTube could be your ticket to success. But bear in mind, building a thriving channel demands time, dedication, and serious creativity. Let's check blogging as well. Sharing your knowledge and interest on a blog can attract a loyal audience and open doors to advertising, affiliate marketing, or even product sales. Now, e-commerce. If you have a business knack, the internet offers a global marketplace. Now, start small with products you are passionate about and learn the ropes of online sales and marketing. That hustle is real. Here's the deal. Every option mentioned demands hard work, dedication, and hunger to learn. There is no shortcut to success, as you all know. You must be willing to put in that hours, especially in the beginning. Let's consider some challenges. Let's discuss the specific challenges you might face making money online in Ghana. One major problem being PayPal. Unfortunately, you know Ghanaians can't currently create PayPal account to receive funds. But fear not, alternatives exist. Consider these options. We have the mobile money platforms. Services like MTN Mobile Money and Airtel Tigo Money are widely used in Ghana for sending and receiving funds. Some freelancing platforms and Ghanaian businesses may allow direct withdrawal to your mobile money wallet. You have the escrow services. For high-value transaction, think about using an escrow service. It acts as a neutral third party holding funds until both parties fulfill their obligations. Now, you also have the international money transfer services. Services like World Remit and Wise facilities international money transfers. They could be ideal for receiving funds from overseas clients. Here are some factors to keep in mind also. Internet access. A reliable internet connection is vital for online work. While it's improving, internet access can still be inconsistent in some parts of Ghana. Power outages, consider that one as well. Let's be real, power cuts happens. Having a backup plan to sustain your hustle during outages is crucial. Competition also. The online realm is fiercely competitive. You need to find a way to stand out, whether through unique skills, exceptional customer services, or outstanding content. Now, you also have the online scams. Don't get sucked in, please. Now, let's dive into the dark side. Numerous online scams target those seeking to make money online. We know that, but watch out for these red flags. Guaranteed riches with little effort. If it sounds too good to be true, it likely is. So avoid any program promising instant wealth without effort. Upfront fees. Legitimate opportunities won't require hefty upfront payment. Be wary of anything demanding upfront investment. Vague work from home schemes. If a job offer is vague about the work involved, it's probably a scam. Get paid to click ads. Clicking on endless ads won't make you real money. It's time-wasting endeavor. And now the final word. Making money online in Ghana is feasible, but it's no shortcut to wealth. Find a method that aligns with your skills and interests. Be ready to hustle and focus on creating something valuable. Now, countless free resources are available online to kickstart your journey. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and start building your own online empire. But before you leave, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment about your online business interest. Until next time, stay safe, stay hustling, and I will catch you up on the flip side. Until then, once again,